it's not gonna happen. I'll tell you, he's kind of wackadoo right now. If you ask me. Let's troll this bad boy again until we get something. Alright, I'll let you guys know if anything happens. There we go, we got one on. What are we good? Probably another freaking. Feels like a blue grunt. That's what it feels like to me. Blue grunt. I bet it's a blue grunt. Oh wow, man, that's a nice one. Whoa! Check this one out, guys. That is a fatty right there. That's a fat boy. Oh yeah, that's a keeper right there. I already know that is. That's what I've been looking for right there, guys. Where's my? There it is. I know that guy's the right size for sure. Let's see. I'm gonna measure them, guys, real quick. Yep, 11 inches. Use the keeper. These things, when they're still frozen, you can cut them in half. Just break them in half with your fingers. They don't take long. These things are gonna start falling apart. That's pretty good. Get another big one like that, so we can get up to 5 of those. There we go, got another one. I don't know if it's quite as big as this one. Well, pretty decent size. Let's measure this guy, see where we're at. Get him off this hook first. He's small. Yeah, I know, dude. You're on the small side. Oh, come on, man. You got a crap on me, dude. These guys poop on you. You get to go home. You're too small. Alright, this guy's done. Quick wash off there. Should be good. There we go. Come on, don't tell me they move. Sometimes it's like they're just stacked up in one exact little spot, and if you don't put it in that one spot, they don't go after it. There we go. Oh, get off of there now. There you go. Gotta get it like right in the perfect spot. Yeah, it's like 7 inches. Okay. I had the camera off. You guys missed that whole mess. Put some fresh bait on, went to throw it, and it got caught in that damn thing. You guys won't see my mistake. While I wait for a bite with this guy, I can. Those dinks. Ooh, okay. Where's my thing? There it is. I already know he's too small. Up. They're blue stripe grunt. Not the target species. few leftover chunks of bait, and I'll be calling it a morning. But so far I only caught one keeper. There we go. That feels like a little bit better. It's not a grunt. No idea what it is. Damn grunts. Man, that would have been a good size freaking snapper. But it's not freaking grunt. Yeah. Darn it. Hey, that's a decent one. It looks like it, I think. Just 10 inches. Barely 10 inches. I need a couple just to put in the fridge, so he's going in the fridge. Oh man, what a mess. There's fish poop on everything. Oh, this thing is gnarly for sure. Definitely need a good cleaning. Hey guys, it's Adrian here. So it's about 3:20 in the afternoon. Tide is falling, and I'm going to go over to our snook spot. I have some live pilchards that I got. See if we can't catch a snook or a tarpon, something cool like that. Alright, let's do it. Might be able to see him. Toss this guy right. Oh man, there's a freaking snook or tarpon right there. There's like 2 or 3 right there behind me. Darn it. Something might have taken it. No. Pulled away too fast. Alright, we're on. What do we got here, guys? What do we got? Okay, we got something significant. Oh, snap. What is that? Looks like a jack of some sort. Alright. Cool. Yes, that is a jack crevalle. I love fighting these fish. Awesome, super fun. Not very edible, so I'm not going to keep them. Oh, they swallowed the hook. Dang it. Alright, there you go, guys. Nice little jack. I'll let him go. Alright, buddy. Changing a hook out already. But hey, that was cool. Look at all those fish. What the hell are those things? Oh, something's got it, something's got it, something's got it, something's got it. I don't know what it is, but... Damn cuda. That was a barracuda. Did he break my note? Okay, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good.
Damn thing, needlefish. The little bastards are everywhere.
We're on to something here, I'm not sure what it is. Put a light bait out there. Could be a snook. Oh, but it's a fish. I literally had to switch up the camera while this guy was taking the bait. Oh shit. He's a big one. Oh yeah, that's a nice big snook. Heck yeah. Oh yeah, dude, he's a big one. Oh yeah. Here we go. I don't know how the heck this happened. Give me your mouth, bro. Oh, I actually snagged him. I snagged his ass. Oh. I can't believe that happened. That was wild. What the heck? Snagged him. Oh, no. I got him in the mouth. He took it. He took it. Alright, yeah, he took it. Right in the corner. Alright, guys. Oh, there we go. That's a big one right there. Let's measure him real quick. 25 incher at the split. Oh man, what a beautiful fish, guys. Alright, it's time to let him go. He is on top of the water right now. He's gone. I just tossed it out and I went to go turn the camera on and nothing was happening when I was hitting the shutter, and I was like, oh crap, you know, battery's dead. So I started grabbing the battery back and changing it that's when it took it. That's when he took the hook right in the corner of his mouth and he went for it. And it's a good thing that he kind of really didn't pull that hard. He just kind of went slowly and kind of drug it, and it was loose, so he didn't really fight it. It gave me the time to get the battery changed out and get everything going on. So I'm sure that was a mess, like most of my catches, but that was pretty nice. Jesus. Nice. Another snook. Heck yeah, a little juvenile. It's really in there pretty good. Don't mess with me too much, okay? Damn. Look, ain't no joke buried in here. Hey guys, nice little juvenile. Nice, healthy. Alright, get out of here, go, before you get eaten up. Go. Alright guys, so here's the deal. It was like 5:30. I landed that second snook. I didn't measure it, but it was probably around 17, 18 inches, something like that, between 15, maybe 20 inches. But during trying to get out the hook out, somehow kind of see the meat underneath a little bit, and it was bleeding. And the wife called at the exact same time that I was trying to land that fish, so that was fun. But anyways, I need to go clean this thing up. I've been handling all kinds of dead fish and gross stuff, and I want to wash it really well. I don't need to get an infection on my finger. Thanks for coming out, guys. It was kind of fun after all. Didn't really catch any keeper snapper, but landed a couple of cool fish too, so that's totally worth it. And there we go, there's our sunset. Alright guys, well, it's been fun. It's time for me to head in. Alright, y'all have a good one, take care of yourselves.